Oye, Jo, ¿ya te vas a presentar? Ahorita. Oye, Jo, ¿ya subiste el nuevo video? Ahorita. Oye, Jo, ¿cuándo les vas a decir cómo te llamas? Ahorita. Oye, Jo, ¿ya inicia el nuevo video? ¡Ahorita!
Hola, ¿cómo están? Bienvenidos a su canal. Mi nombre es Job Viramontes y yo voy a ser el nuevo embajador de Spanish55. Tengo 32 años y nací en la ciudad de Guadalajara, Jalisco. Es la segunda ciudad más grande de México y también es la cuna de algunos de los elementos culturales más sobresalientes de mi país, como el tequila, el mariachi o el pozole. I'm very excited to be your companion in this amazing trip through our beautiful language. So I know that Spanish can be very confusing sometimes. Even for us as native Spanish speakers, we find these weird words that can mean a lot of different things. Today, we're going to learn the differences between ahora, ahora mismo, and ahorita. We use these three words as a measurement of time. We use them to determine when a specific event is going to happen. So we really need to know how to differentiate them in order to give the right information. So let's start with the easiest one, ahora mismo. Right now. We use ahora mismo when we want to express something that needs to be done immediately or as soon as possible. ¿Cuándo quieres que vaya a visitarte? Ahora mismo. When do you want me to come over? Right now. That means I will have to come over as soon as possible to your place. So it is kind of the same in English and it adds more of a formal tone to the sentence. Ahora mismo, it's also used when we're speaking in present continuous. Ahora mismo estoy escribiendo un libro. Right now, I'm writing a book. Ahora mismo estamos estudiando medicina. Right now, we're all studying medicine. Ahora mismo voy a tu casa. Right now, I'm heading to your house. So, what about the word ahora? It could seem that it's way easier because it's only one word, but it gets a little bit complex in here. So, ahora means now or today. We use it very often to express something that needs to be done during the current day. ¿Cuándo quieres que vaya a visitarte? Ahora. When do you want me to come over? Now. It is not as immediate as ahora mismo, but it's something that needs to be done within the current day. ¿Cuándo quieres que vaya a visitarte? When do you want me to visit you? Ahora. That means that I will be heading to your house at some point during the day. Ahora is also used to explain the continuity of a certain process or the sequencing of events. So if you're a foodie person like me, I bet you've watched a lot of cooking videos. So right now, I recommend you to go and watch some Spanish cooking videos. Because here, you're gonna listen the word ahora a lot. They use this word to transit from one step to the next one. For instance, y ahora vamos a agregar sal. Y ahora vamos a ponerlo todo en la estufa. Y ahora vamos a servirlo en el plato. Y ahora vamos a pasar a la palabra ahorita. Here we have the trickiest one, ahorita. Ahorita, it's actually a diminutive of ahora. It is used in Latin America and it's more of a slang word. The word ahorita, it's a time reference and it could be as broad and ambiguous as the concept of time itself. We use it to measure whether an action or event might occur in the near possible future or actually not happen at all. For me, ahorita is a philosophical paradox. It could mean everything or nothing at the same time. Yeah, as crazy as that sounds, ahorita could mean ahora or now. It could also mean right now. It could also mean in a bit or in a second. It could also mean in a month or maybe in 2 years or never. And guess what? There's another word that can be used to replace any of the above. Exactly, ya. This word completely changed the mood of the sentence and it's used in a more anger, serious tone. But don't worry, we'll visit that word in a whole other video. So now it's your turn, guys. What are you watching our next video? Ahora, ahora mismo, o ahorita. I really hope you enjoyed this content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification button so you don't miss any of our new videos. I'll be seeing you soon. Adios!